Welcome. If you've noticed Facebook's latest update and you're wondering how to mark a notification as read on the Facebook app using your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can manage your notifications easily and keep your account organized. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app or visit Facebook on your PC browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see several icons there, including your profile, messages, and the notifications bell. Next, click on the notifications icon. This will open a drop-down menu showing all your recent notifications, including likes, comments, friend requests, and other updates. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific notification you want to mark as read. Once you've located the notification, hover your mouse over it. Depending on the latest update, you may see 3 dots or a small options icon next to that notification. Click on it to open more options. From there, select the option that says Mark as Read. As soon as you click it, the notification will no longer appear as unread, helping you keep your notifications list clean and easier to manage. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can quickly control which notifications stay highlighted and which ones you've already handled. This is especially useful if you receive a lot of updates and want to stay organized without missing anything important.